Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy a code on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in. And now right after that, you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and just right above this chart, you can see the indicators option, which is at the just right side of the candlestick icon. So you need to click on that option, and now let's search for any of the user indicators. So let's go to technicals, let's go to strategies, and let's choose first one. So you'll be able to add the indicator successfully. Now what you need to do is you simply need to hover over here, and now you can see the curly braces where you can see the source code option. Once you hover over there, so you need to click on that option, and now you can copy the code successfully. So basically this is how you can copy a code on TradingView. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.